Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're here at the Oliver Sawyer Yards, and we're on the 7th floor. There's some really cool amenities here. We're gonna break this up actually into two quick videos. So video number one, I just wanna show you the Palais conference room that's there. There's a really cool conference room. There's also this Horizon line, which is a really big kind of just private area, kind of a sky lounge-ish area. And then there's the manuscript. So the manuscript room is going to be a little quieter. So we're actually going to go into that right now and start part one of this tour. Really quite a few things going on. It's really amazing. So let's walk in. This is the manuscript room. This is very cool. Love this room. It's meant more for just kind of relaxing, having fun, but also maybe working. You could work from here too. Some really attractive couches. The couches feel great. You've got a table here. You've got some really cool lighting going on here, so the lighting is good. So it'd be just a really kind of chill, cool room to really relax in. So that's this room. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. But now we're going to use part two, and we're going to see these other two rooms. Let's go do that right now.